In this tips and tricks session, we'll work with DXF files that have been imported after being created in a third-party software. Once those are brought into Gravastyle, sometimes we can experience some unexpected results with those, particularly when we try and ungroup them and start to modify them. So let's go ahead and import in a DXF file. This file happens to be editable text. We're going to go ahead and use the current unit of measure and allow it to merge the layers so that everything's on one layer. Now that that's been brought in, we can see that everything is grouped together. So normally you would just select Ungroup. However, in this case, with this file, because it was grouped as subsections of 3 or 4 lines of text, and then those individual groupings were all grouped together, in the end, it's displaying some unexpected results. So we'll click undo and go back to just having our single grouping. So instead of this icon for Uncombine, we're going to go to our Edits tab. And on Edits, we're going to come up here to Ungroup. And in this case, it's the icon with the circle, square, and triangle that are not enclosed with an outer contour. So we'll click on this. Now it has ungrouped our imported file so that we now can select individual lines. We can go to selection mode and select individual segments of this. It is, at this point, editable text, continues to be. So if we double click on that, we go back to the text mode and I can edit that line of text very easily. So if this is a tool that you find yourself using frequently, then it is possible to add this tool onto your primary toolbar. Just come over and click on the little drop down. Down here we'll go to More Commands, and then we'll select Edit tab, and on the Edit tab, then we will come down until we find our circle, square, and triangle for Ungroup, and select that and add it to our toolbar. Then select OK. So now on our toolbar, this icon is present. So if we have everything selected, it's grouped together. Then now when we select that, we can go up and use this ungroup icon directly from our main toolbar. So hope this helps in managing DXF files that don't behave the way you anticipate when you import them.